I'm a busy person, but I want to get in shape, and I know diet is 90% of the dance. What are your tips for meal prep? How can I do it, and what would be the best foods or the easiest foods to meal prep?
Well, myself, I plan my meals every day, and I cook my meals every day. For most people, I know this is not something they likely to do, but I would maybe start taking a protein shake, but that'd be a snack or they call it a meal twice a day. If you can get it in the morning, eat a breakfast. If not, eat some oatmeal, maybe a couple of egg whites, something that's simple and quick for lunch. If you're going to eat out, try to go, even going to a restaurant, try not to eat the bread, try not to eat the chips or French fries. Even if you're going to one of the fast food restaurants, you can get a plain hamburger, a plain chicken breast, and eat plain lettuce, not a lot of salad dressings. So those are for the people that just don't have time to plan. And then, if you can, start planning your meals in advance so you know where you're going to eat and what you're going to eat each day.
What would you say are the lowest cost protein choices that someone can buy when they're going to start doing the meal prep?
Well, cans of tuna is very cheap, but I know that's something that a lot of people don't like to eat, is cans of tuna. They have bagged chicken breasts. They have no-cost protein shakes. I don't recommend you only doing protein shakes, but try to get, I wouldn't be eating lunch meats and stuff like that because too much processed stuff in it. You want to maybe get some easy, quick chicken patties or even ground beef occasionally, but get something that's easy for you to prepare, but realize it's the carbs that you need to try to stay away from. It's not necessarily the meats always, but don't eat stuff that's just only fat. You get some things that's high in protein, but you can make your meals where they taste good without making it overly high carb and overly things that's going to make you gain a lot of body fat. I hope you subscribe to this channel, and you can contact me at qrelite@gmail.com or my phone number 336-987-4007.